Dude, where we tell you your future.
Aquarius prediction for the year 2021. Aquarius career horoscope 2021. Your situation will be better and change with time since you will be favored by luck at the beginning of the year. You will get the support of your colleagues in the beginning at the workplace. During this period, you will be able to complete all the tasks before the stipulated time. Those who are thinking of changing their jobs, especially in the months of January, April, and May, will attain success. After this, during mid-year, that is between June and July, you are advised to remain careful since you are likely to face problems at your workplace due to your opponents. The professional life, free of big conflicts, seems to be characterized by a few successes devoid of greatness but stable. The financial situation follows the general trends featuring balance and seldom crucial events. Then later the conditions will improve from the last week of July to September, and this time will prove to be the best of your career. There is a possibility of employed natives getting their job transferred in the month of October. Also, the month of December will bring tremendous success in your field of work. If you put your mind into business, then you will get ample chances to go on several business trips this year. Businessmen will attain tremendous success, especially in the months of July, August, and December. However, you will need to be more careful while making any investment in this duration. Aquarius Finance Horoscope 2021. Horoscope 2021 for Aquarius predicts obstacles and problems in the financial life since the position of Saturn in the 12th house of your zodiac sign throughout the year will result in increased expenses. Due to this, your financial conditions are likely to fluctuate. Therefore, it would be better for you to try and pull the reins. Keep a check on your expenses and save money. With this, Jupiter will also be sitting in your own zodiac sign from the beginning of this year to April, which can have a direct impact on your financial life. According to Aquarius Wealth Horoscope 2021, you are mostly focused and determined in all your activities. Therefore, when it comes to creating wealth and asset formation, you are likely to work hard. According to the Aquarian wealth predictions, with the second house ruled by Jupiter, there are high chances that you may have a disciplined approach to generate income and wealth creation. You are known to be someone who prefers to save money for rainy days. This urge enables you to build an abundance of wealth and streamline money management. As per Aquarius Wealth Horoscope, this year 2021 may enable you to chase your dream and may make you wealthy as you move ahead. Since the start of the year, the transit of Jupiter in your sign may make you carefully craft a plan for the year to enhance your wealth without disturbing your set financial goals. However, your disciplined approach may help you to achieve your financial goals. The best part of the year 2021 is that you are likely to observe your plan minutely to meet every desire that wealth creation can probably suffice. For instance, the yearly outing or holiday plan that you may enjoy will now see the usage of money from the corpus of funds that you will create from this year to sponsor your holiday. This is a good initiative that should be dedicatedly followed. You are likely to maintain an account of inflow of money and use a separate bank account that can channelize the flow accordingly. By this, you may be disciplined and shall not be a spendthrift either. Aquarius Wealth and Property Horoscope 2021, there are chances that you may buy a new house. According to Aquarius Wealth Horoscope, if you are planning to fulfill your dream of purchasing your first house or even building one, then the year 2021 is likely to be favorable and planetary transits may help you to fulfill the dream. As per the Aquarius wealth horoscope, Jupiter, which expands one's desire and also enables the desires to get fulfilled, will be favorably placed in your sign throughout the year. Just wait for the ideal opportunity, says Aquarius Wealth 2021 horoscope. However, other planetary transit, if placed in an unfavorable house in your birth chart, can bring challenges in your life. As per Aquarius Wealth horoscope, if you are planning to build a house, then avoid the months of July, August and September of 2021. These months can see some impediments to start the project, which can delay the completion and also enhance the cost of construction. Ideally, it would be better to avoid working during this time according to Aquarius Property Horoscope 2021. You are likely to expand your business in this coming year. If you are into business, then the year 2021 is also good for expansion and investing your business income in competition or in a new line of activity. You are likely to plan a huge capital investment which may turn profitable. There are high chances that this may produce a good alternative source of income in the long run. You may efficiently work out the capital budget investing that is likely to be rewarding and shall give you some better gains. But at the same time, it would be important for you to take a financial call, which may involve the participation of experts in this exercise. Between the months of September and November, there will be a sudden increase in expenses, which will also add to mental stress. You will find yourself more engaged in religious and charitable work, due to which you may spend more money. This year, you will experience a decrease in your income. In such a situation, you will need to keep a positive frame of mind without feeling disappointed. However, the months of January, February, April, the latter half of May, September and December will bring slightly better results in terms of income. Aquarius Education Horoscope 2021. As per 2021 Aquarius horoscope, students will get moderate to favorable results in academic matters. Especially in the month of April, you will get quality results in examinations which will cheer you up and lift your spirits. However, for students who are preparing for competitive examinations, time does not seem to be favorable as they may have to work harder than before to get good results this time. The months of January to February and late April and September are going to be very favorable for students pursuing higher education. In such a situation, they will be more inclined towards studies and get fruits according to their efforts and hard work. Students who are pursuing semi-technical and technical studies will attain average results. So they have to take maximum advantage of this time according to their own way. Students studying journal, media, information technology and architecture will be more likely to get better results this year. Aquarius Horoscope 2021 Family Life. The harmony will settle in the family and love life with the capacity of gifting with some uplifting moments. The year 2021 may prove to be somewhat unfavorable in regards with the family life as Saturn will be in your 4th house. This will hinder your familial happiness. Also, you may have to go away from your family, either relocate or on a work-related trip due to excess work and busy schedules. If you still live in a rented house, then you can get some good results which will help you relax and calm. On the other hand, living with your family may lead you to move far away from them for some reason. You will fulfill your family responsibilities this year, for which you may have to spend some extra cash. This will increase the financial burden on you. Time is not favorable for younger brothers as they are likely to face some problems. On the other hand, the elder brothers and sisters can talk to you and expect some kind of help from you. take care of the father's health in this duration. Pluto in Capricorn will encourage you to let go of anything that is holding you back. Even though it may be difficult, you don't need to have a tight relationship with all of your family members. Let go of people who hurt you, even if you are related to them. This can help to improve your emotional state. This can make this year difficult at some points, but it will be better for you in the long run. Plan well before wanting a pregnancy. Aquarius Horoscope 2021 Marital Life and Children. This year, married natives will gain normal results as per Aquarius Horoscope 2021, since there will be ups and downs in marital life, although things will remain on the positive side. If your spouse is employed, then he or she will attain success in his or her career, which will positively affect the family environment. This is the right time to eliminate any brewing troubles in the relationships. For this, you will need to resolve every dispute by taking an initiative yourself. Married natives will get some good benefits through their spouse, especially in the month of January. However, between April and May, the ever-changing behavior of your spouse will add to your mental stress. Apart from this, the time from July to August seems to be unfavorable. During this time, you have to protect yourself from getting into any kind of debate or argument. Talking about your married life, the months February to March and April, as well as the beginning of June, is going to bring better results. In this duration, your children will be blessed with luck. The romantic intensity between you and your spouse will increase, especially from July to August. Apart from this, you will plan a far-away trip with your spouse and children in the month of September. Although you will splurge with an open heart, but you will be content. Through your life partner, your respect and reputation is likely to increase, due to which people will be seen taking advice from you. Overall, the year is likely to be good in terms of children. However, the health of your children may see several ups and downs occasionally, hence look out for their eating habits and stay alert. If your children are studying, then they are likely to perform better than before, and if they are working professionally, then they may be introducing to a major change in their workplace. Aquarius Love Horoscope 2021. The year 2021 as per Aquarius Love Horoscope proves to be favorable as well as auspicious for Aquarius who are in love, since chances of attaining desired results are high. Even though you will undergo immense work pressure, but your partner will keep you happy and satisfied with his or her fine talking skills. This will relieve all your stress. You can think of moving forward in your love life this year. Due to this, you will be able to take the decision of tying the knot with your beloved in the latter part of the year. Your loved one may have to go away due to some important work, especially during January or February. But in spite of this, the warmth in the relationship will sustain and there will be a smooth flow of communication. Health. Aquarius Health Horoscope 2021 predicts that this year will be slightly less favorable than expected, because your zodiac sign Saturn will remain in the 12th house of your sign throughout the year, which will weaken your health. This year you may suffer from various health related problems such as leg pain, gas, acidity, indigestion, cold and cough, etc. In such a situation, you have to take special care of your eating and drinking habits, since these existing problems won't let you work properly. As per Aquarius Horoscope 2021, you are advised not to ignore any minor health issue, as doing so will be very harmful for you during this period. Mainly, you will have to pay special attention to your health between April and September. For this, perform yoga and exercise when you get time. The health state will be good to satisfactory all throughout 2021. except some minor infections that may occur towards the middle or in the last part of the year. As in the past years, Pluto transits the 12th house. This is a transit that determines to feel at a subconscious level the need of intense or weird experiences mostly lived in solitude. The end and the beginning of the year will thus be excellent periods of time regarding the health state. The Aquarius women are mostly drawn to fad diets, nutritive supplements, and pills for losing weight. However, they quickly realize that only a healthy diet plan can help them lose weight. A diet poor in fats associated with regular exercising are two essential conditions for preventing circulatory issues. The optimistic nature of the Aquarius women turns into a really fun time. The temptation to break the rules of the diet is not a problem since you have a strong will. Planning the diet and the physical exercising program is an easy task for them due to their calm and rational thinking. The physical activity is important for you who especially appreciate individual sports such as swimming. Initially, you may face some challenges. As per Aquarius Astrology Prediction 2021, the year is likely to be giving you more experiences than usual. With Saturn being in the 12th house of your sign, the initial few months may see a rise in tension and you may face some challenges. Furthermore, the conjunction of a debilitated Jupiter may cause some issues in your life. Additionally, being the Lord of 2nd and 11th, it may add to the stress and tension. Many of your planning may not be as per the scheduled activities and this may lead to some disappointment initially. For you, these events may be a first-time experience that can be emotionally taxing. However, as the year 2021 will progress, you are likely to be happy with the way life may turn events in your favor. Further, the year 2021 may bring some exciting surprises for you, says Aquarius 2021 predictions. From the middle of the year, there is a high probability that you may come across some important person in your personal life. The emotional connection with this new person shall sow the seeds of romance and love. You may soon be connected to a romantic relationship with this special person. The love and concern that was a vacuum in your life as an individual is now likely to be filled with this special person. Gradually, the two of you may even decide to settle down in a permanent relationship of marriage. Your emotional bond will turn out to be a legal bind. According to the Aquarius Horoscope 2021 yearly prediction, the transit of Jupiter in your sign will be auspicious for students planning to pursue higher education. Your dedication and efforts may pay you good results in the start of the year. If you have already taken a clear plan of your action, then you may be successful in executing the same this year. In fact, your dedication and hard work are the core of every success that you enjoy during the year as per your Aquarius 2021 horoscope. With the prospects of a good education, the future of a better career is also promised. Make sure you are clear with your fundamental knowledge as you may also enjoy a good campus placement opportunity. Even if you are looking for a new opportunity, then you are likely to find one with the help of your efforts and networking skills, says Aquarius Horoscope 2021. After May 2021, if you are keen on starting an enterprise, then there is a high possibility that you may pursue your dream and start your own business. When it comes to health, Aquarius individuals are known to be more careful with regard to their fitness and routine activities. You are particular to your diet and even make sure you take the food at the appropriate time during the day. This discipline can slightly get disturbed as your appetite is likely to increase, so is your food intake, according to the 2021 Aquarius horoscope. You will have to be careful with your diet intake now. This may help you to maintain your fitness and boost your immunity. Have a beautiful 2021, all you Aquarians!
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.